Freestyle Pickles, classic dill.
Damn, that's good. It tastes like a pickle you put on a burger. It's garlicky. I give it a 10.
A 10?
I really like that. I may just have to get a vat of it.
Perfect for hamburgers, perfect for hot dogs, perfect to put on a sandwich. They're vinegary, they're a little sour. They're good. 10 out of 10. 10
out of 10.
10 out of 10. Freestyle Pickles, kick and picks.
Ooh,
How spicy?
like a 5,
Oh, good.
but like it grows. Like this is like a hot Cheeto style bag. The more you eat, the hotter it gets. The flavor is really good. 9.
This is not extreme. If you can't do extreme heat, this is awesome. It's like dancing on your tongue a little bit spicy, but it's that same garlic brine, just a little bit spicy. I give that a 10 out of 10. I actually love those. That is so good. Freestyle Pickles, mini pickles, garlic dill.
Oh, that is interesting. Oh, I think there's turmeric in here. Now that crunch is amazing. It says it's garlic, but this tastes more garlic than this one. I wish they did this brine with these pickles. Crunch is a 10. Flavor, like a 6.5.
Guys, you're never gonna believe this. It tastes exactly like a Mount Olive. I don't taste the garlic. I just taste the dill. It's like an 8. It's resealable.